they're over.
Oh, so did he.
Oh no. Hi.
I am a little alarmed by what is going on. First out of the womb hiccups for William.
Hi, Higgins.
Also,
Hi, Higgins.
Higgins is very, very excited about his brother.
I would show you, but I can't bend down that far.
Don't hurt yourself.
Yeah. Oh, good boy, Higgins. Good boy.
Higgins likes to watch him at all times.
Good boy. Good boy, Higgins.
Even when he's sleeping in his crib.
Bless
Ooh,
you.
a sneeze and a hiccup. There is a lot going on here.
Oh.
Mom, I feel a little crazy.
Oh.
Oh,
There might be something going on in there, in the diaper.
possibly a little exterior propulsion.
Hopefully.
Come on, buddy, I'm dying to mark it down in your progress chart that you soiled the diaper. Oh. Oh. Hi, Grandma, Grandpa. Hi, everybody. Okay, talk to you later.